Everybody to the varvis corporate satellite here at ESHG this year in lovely Vienna. It's nice to see you all again in person here. Also, thank you for joining from virtually from behind your screens and at home. So, welcome everybody. We're happy to have you here today at our satellite entitled Exome Diagnostics and Beyond: Making the Most of Your Clinical NGS Data. So in the next 1.5 hours, we have 4 expert speakers here with us today, presenting how they make the most of their clinical data. They were presenting filtering strategies for worst cases, potential pitfalls, and also nice clinical cases, like eye-opening cases. Before we start, let me briefly introduce to you who we are. My name is Yvonne Kassmann. We at Limbus Medical Technologies are located in Rostock in the north of Germany, right at the Baltic Sea. Limbus is a software development company and medical device manufacturer, which means that we operate and develop our products according to international quality standards. varvis is a cloud-based clinical decision support system and CE-labeled and registered IVD medical device, so specifically designed to aid in the diagnosis of patients. varvis is a complete software solution for all NGS panels, exomes, and even whole genomes. We support the whole NGS analysis workflow, from automated raw data processing to validated data analysis, up to variant interpretation, meaning SNVs, indels, and CNVs. We also support genomics data aggregation, so information from GNOMAD, ClinVar, Decipher, and DGV is also integrated into varvis. If classification in ClinVar would change during time, you will get a notification in varvis if this affects your patients. As I said, it's a cloud-native medical device, so it's a software as a service, but the service does not end with the software. We also have an expert support team providing help, and the service also includes validation, training, onboarding, so the whole team is there to help you. If you're interested to learn more, you're very welcome to stop by at our booth in Hall X5, so it's booth number 258. So if you enter the hall, you will see it directly on the left. So you're very welcome to stop by and learn more. So now to the more interesting part of the session, our 4 talks and speakers. So we will start with Dr. Halinur Yavuz-Kinde from SYNLAB and VZ Human Genetik Mannheim, who will present the SYNLAB strategy for filtering whole exome cases and how a software like varvis can help to solve these exomes. Then Professor Rami Abu-Jamra from the University of Leipzig, who will present some nice cases with very challenging mutations that can easily be missed. Then next we have Dr. Roland Ewald from Limbus Medical Technologies, with the talk Mind the Gaps, the impact of transcript alignment on variant interpretation. And finally, Dr. Lena Hausdorff from Limbus Medical Technologies, with her talk Cabinet of Curiosities, Detecting and Interpreting Extraordinary Variants with varvis. We'll have some time to answer questions, I hope. If you in the audience have questions, I would ask you to then step forward and speak into the microphone, so that also the people behind the screens can hear the questions.